Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for the downloading and installation of a Pmod trial license. The Pmod software is available for 3 platforms: Windows, Linux and Mac. For the processing of real-world datasets, we recommend 64-bit operating systems with at least 16 GB of RAM and multiple processing cores. A trial installation of Pmod can be requested by filling in the corresponding form on the Pmod website. Shortly after completing the form, you will receive a download invitation email containing all of the necessary information and a license file. This license file will allow full functional testing of all modules, but with saving, printing and the DICOM server disabled. Please contact support@pmod.com if these functions are essential to your evaluation of the software. To download Pmod, please browse to our website www.pmod.com, select the download page from the support menu, and log in using the information received in the email. After login, we recommend downloading the Pmod workbook. This provides a step-by-step tutorial for all major Pmod tools and might be helpful for evaluation in combination with the example data. Detailed installation instructions can be found in the README file. Proceed by downloading the Pmod setup zip file corresponding to the operating system of your target machine. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip archive. An installation directory is created which contains 3 directories: Java, Pmod, Setup. If desired, download the example database data.zip. Copy this data zip file into the Pmod subdirectory of the installation directory. Do not unzip any archives in this directory. At this point, installation can be started. Windows and Linux downloads contain an installer script called Run Setup in the Setup directory. Please start the Run Setup script and perform a standard installation. On Mac systems, simply double-click setup.jar in the Pmod directory. Finally, copy the license file pstarter.lcs provided in the download invitation email into the Pmod 3.7/system/lcs directory. Should the license attachment be missing, please contact support@pmod.com. Pmod can now be started using the script run pmod in the Pmod 3.7/start directory. Please note that the step-by-step examples in the Pmod workbook may be helpful for evaluation of the software. Detailed information about the various Pmod tools is available in the online documentation. Should you encounter difficulties during downloading, installation or testing, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@pmod.com. We thank you for taking the time to test Pmod and for watching this video.